Hello guys and welcome to TechWolf. In this video I'm going to show you how to change your YouTube @username or your YouTube handle name, which you can see here at the very top in my channel's address bar, or this is also the handle name, or this is also the handle name which is displayed whenever you are commenting on some YouTube videos. So to do this you have to be in your YouTube channel, you have to be logged in into your YouTube. Click here on the right top corner on your icon and click on view your channel. You will get redirected to your YouTube channel. Then here to the right from your thumbnail you will see customize channel. Click in there, and on this page you will see here that currently we are in channel customization and we are in layout tab. Here click on this third button which is basic info, and here you will see that you can change your YouTube channel handle, and my YouTube channel handle is @TechWolf. This is how you can change your YouTube channel's handle name or @username. And if you found this video useful, leave a like, share this video, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and see you in the next one.